Alright, in this lesson, we're going to look at the general journal and take information from the journal and put it on a ledger, which is the act of posting. You see here that we have a debit ledger. The debit ledger in this example is going to hold all accounts that have a normal debit balance, so all assets, expenses, and drawings. The credit ledger is going to hold all balances that have normal credit balances, like liabilities, owner's equity, and revenue accounts. We're going to look at the March 1st transaction from a previous exercise from the night zone. Cash and revenue HST payable were all affected with this purchase. So we're going to debit cash. We're just going to take this information and put it in the ledger. We go to the cash, which has an account number of 101. That will be important in a second. So cash is debited 1130. It has a normal debit balance, which the DR stands for. And here we go. The balance is 1130. Now we're not finished yet, as we need to do revenue and HST payable. So we'll go to the credit ledger for that. Revenue has a number of 401, and you would have learned these account numbers from a previous activity. So we'll make sure we're in the right year. It is March 1st, and we need to credit it the appropriate amount, which was, I believe, $1,000. And it's a credit balance of $1,000. HST payable, account number 240, right year, right date, and it is also a credit of $130. That was the HST for that purchase, or for that sale, excuse me. And there we have it. Debits still equal to credits. We're not doing anything crazy. All we're doing is taking the information from the journal and transposing it over to the ledger. Now our work here is not quite done yet. We need to make sure we fill in the PR or post reference column. After we've done the cash posting, it has a number of 101. We're going to put that here, the account number 101. And in the debit ledger, we're going to choose J1, which stands for General Journal Page 1. We'll do the exact same thing here. Revenue, the account number was 401. And we'll go to the credit ledger. We'll see that it's 401, and we'll put J1 for the journal page. This is just indicating that we're finished and everything is accurate. Now HST payable is account number 240, so we'll put in 240 here, go back to the credit ledger, and we will put in J1, which stands for journal page 1. This transaction shows us how to correctly post from a general journal to the general ledger.